Thought you'd seen everything in the car world? Think again. This is what Mansori did to Ferrari and Rolls-Royce in 2025. A regular Rolls-Royce means luxury, but Mansori makes them insane. These cars aren't just expensive. They evoke envy, shock, and the irresistible urge to get behind the wheel even for a minute. MANSORY RollsRoyce Cullinin Linea di Arabo. In 2025, Mansori unveiled a new version of the Rolls-Royce Cullinin, refined to perfection in ultra-luxury style. The massive body received a completely new forged carbon kit, and the grille is now illuminated from the inside. The interior is hand-stitched, with every detail reflecting individuality, from the Starlight headliner to premium leather. Under the hood, 720 horsepower, allowing this, quote, palace on wheels to hit 0 to 100 in 4.8 seconds. This isn't just tuning, it's a statement of status and taste. The MY 2025 version is one of the most balanced in the Mansori lineup. It's not a scream of luxury, it's a $1 million whisper. Mansori Ferrari Puro Sangue Pugnator Tricolore. Pugnator Tricolore is a limited interpretation of the Ferrari Puro Sangue by Mansori. Only 3 units were made, each turned into a work of art. The body is fully clad in matte carbon with an Italian tricolor stripe, and the interior features a unique combination of luxury and sporty aggression. Power reaches up to 755 horsepower. Mansori reimagined every millimeter of this car, from the aerodynamics to the embroidered logos on the seatbelts. This is not just a Ferrari, it's an exclusive for the chosen few. The Pugnator Tricolore is an ode to Italian design with German execution. Mansori Audi RS Q8. Mansori has taken the RS Q8 once again and turned it into something far wilder than just a sporty SUV. Deep black body with bright yellow accents, carbon hood, massive air intakes, and an aggressive diffuser with triple exhausts make it visually bold and totally unique. But the real magic is inside. The tuned 4-liter V8 now delivers 986 horsepower. Top speed of 320 kilometers per hour puts this SUV close to hypercar territory. The cabin features bright yellow leather, carbon inserts, and exclusive Mansori detailing. Every element screams status and individuality. 24-inch wheels and lowered stance complete the image of an aggressive predator. This isn't just an RS Q8. This is what happens when Mansori is given full creative freedom and a touch of madness. Mansory Tesla Cybertruck Elongation Evo. Mansori shocks the tuning world once again, this time with the Tesla Cybertruck, transformed into the Elongation Evo with a fully carbon fiber body. Front and rear bumpers, extreme fender flares, and dual rear wings are all crafted from lightweight carbon fiber, giving the pickup an aggressive, almost sci-fi silhouette. 26-inch FD15 wheels with R26 tires emphasize the truck's width and raw character. The interior is just as daring, natural leather, carbon accents, and custom Mansori embroidery on seats, mats, and seatbelts, all tailored to the client's wishes. The electric drivetrain maintains 0 emissions, while the bold consumption underscores its green commitment. This isn't just an electric pickup, it's a design rebellion and one of Mansori's most uncompromising creations to date. MANSORY Lamborghini Revuelto. Mansori has taken the Lamborghini Revuelto to a new level with the Initiate project, a fully carbon fiber body kit and an aggressive futuristic design. The carbon hood, side skirts, diffuser, and spoiler shift the standard Revuelto into Space Beast mode. Signature FV10 wheels are wrapped in ZR21 and ZR22 tires for maximum stability and visual impact. Under the hood, a factory 6.5-liter hybrid V12 boosting output to 1,070 horsepower. Top speed, 354 kilometers per hour. The interior can be custom tailored, leather, Alcantara, gold stitching, and bespoke details reflecting the owner's status and the car's uniqueness. Mansori Initiate isn't just a tuned Revuelto. It's an ultra-exclusive supercar where every line and detail defies the norm. These are the latest creations for Mansori. Bold, loud, and without compromise. These are no longer just cars. They're rolling works of art capable of leaving a mark even at 300 kilometers per hour. Tell us in the comments which one impressed you the most. And don't forget to subscribe for even more insane projects coming soon. See you in the next video.